Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove object from photo in Google Photos. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store, open Google Photos and select any image. So I'm going to select this image for example. Then you need to click on edit. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down here, click on tools, click on magic eraser, select that, and you need to wait for few seconds and wait for few seconds so that it will be configured. Okay, circle or brush to erase. So let's suppose I want to remove this cup. So okay, wait for few seconds and after few seconds it will remove the cup. So you need to wait for few seconds here. Okay, so now you can see that cup is removed. Then you need to click on done. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.